somebody there for them to take care of them while I'm at work, but there wasn't the time, and I wasn't able to have anybody around there. So my son, he wanted refuge, he wanted friends, he wanted to talk to somebody about problems that he was going through. And I feel sad and I feel bad because sometimes I wasn't there for him. Whenever he needed me, I had to be at work. So he looked for friends, but the wrong friends. Those friends will kind of help him out, be with him, take him here and there. And that's the wrong thing to do. Listen to people that they're going in the wrong place all the time. So my son, he took off away from the house. Well, he went, it was in June, it was kind of hot. He went to the beach, Madrisa Beach. A friend of his came for him, and they said that there was going to be a fight at the beach with Northsiders, I think. And he wanted to go. And I told him, you shouldn't go. I said, it's so hot and so many people up there. What are you going to do over there? He goes, I just want to go see what's going on. But there was something planned already for him that he didn't even know, but was waiting for him over there. He left about 11 o'clock in the morning. I didn't hear from him no more or anything. And what happens? About 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I received this phone call that my son was shot. I didn't know if I was talking on the phone or if I was talking to somebody in person, but I didn't see anybody. I know I was on the phone. I dropped the phone. I went around crazy in the house looking for the keys for my car so I could take off and go for him. I could find nothing. My daughter came home from work to pick up my granddaughters, and she said, what's going on? And the older one said, Mommy, Grandma's crying because my Uncle Tony was shot. And my grandma wants to go. And she said, she's not going anywhere. I got to talk to the officer, and the officer was still on the phone, and he was the one that told my daughter about it. He says, there's nothing you guys can do. He's going to be sent on the helicopter to the Palo Alto because over here in Dominican, they don't have the things that they need. So if you guys need to find out more, just call the officer, and he gave the number, and you can follow your brother over there. So in the afternoon, I had to go look for a ride. Somebody would take me up there, follow my son's body over there, because he was shot in the head, and they said that he was a vegetable already. And they took him anyway because they gave him CPR, and he started breathing. But that wasn't enough for me. So I went up there, I got over there, and he was all hooked up to this machine and breathing, but he was brain dead. And that's why when I speak about this, I bring up different things because it's a long thing, a long story. But I just want to tell you guys that as mothers and fathers, we worry about our kids. We don't know where they're at, who they're with. I didn't know most of the time where my son was because he wanted me to know where I was at, where he was all the time with his friends. But the only thing I could tell you guys that you should let your parents know where you're at, who you're with. I'll be home pretty soon, Mom. I'll be there. So make sure that when you do talk to your parents or tell them before you leave the house, I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad. I'll be back pretty soon, or I'll give you a call. That's the only thing is a chance for us parents that would know where you're at and that you promised that you were going to come home at a certain time. You should do it. But remember, you need to finish your education here. I mean, I came here for 4 years. I graduated in June of 1964. So I'm proud of Watsonville High. Because I was here and I went through a lot of things here, but excuse me, I learned my English pretty good, I guess. Because when I came from Texas, I couldn't even say my name in English, Rosa. I used to tell, my name is Rosa, and they say, no, it's Rosie. But anyway, I learned it because I had to take English here at the school. And thank God for that it gave me courage to work on it. Thank you so much.
Okay. I'm going to confirm with everybody, right? We're going to dismiss at 10 o'clock.